Hello, first of all I am making this video just because I've saw that a lot of you had problems with the video that I already posted how to download SelfishNet on Windows 10. So let's start. Smiley face. Note, you can try this method for all Windows versions. Except Windows XP. Haha, I'm joking, no offense. You will find the link to download the file in the description. I will show you how to install a file. Haha funny. First, install WinCap. I already did. So, next, you will open selfish.exe as administrator. I said as administrator. Idiot. You can see your PC IP. Click here to search for devices connected to your network. You can block, limit speed and cool down any device. To block, click here. Or control the internet speed from here. You can choose the download or the upload speed. Then click here to activate. You can check if this actually works by using one from the blocked or controlled devices. You can cancel the process by clicking the red X. If you exit SelfishNet, then you will lose everything you've done. So don't cancel it, just minimize it and it will stay working. That's all, laughing face. I hope that you can run SelfishNet after this video. XD. Leave your opinions, problems in the comments. Peace.
By the way, I will do the next video.
Haha, in your dreams.
Nope. I will do it right here in this channel.
We will see about that.